3 months ago, Ryan had zero clue AI would flip his bank account upside down. He's not a coder, not a guru. It's a 29-year-old from Chicago who wanted to see, could AI actually pay you in 2026, or is it all just smoke? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools pay the most right now, and which ones wasted my time. Section 1, the $0 to $. Challenge setup. Let's set the scene. It's March 31, 2026. AI hype is at fever pitch. TikTok claims easy $500/day with ChatGPT 6. Every tool starts to look the same, so Ryan sets a brutal, simple challenge. Test the 7 most talked about AI money-making tools in a single 24-hour sprint. No second chances. Dollars earned or time wasted, everything tracked. 7 contenders, screen sharing receipts in all. 1. Pseudo pitch rates client emails for cold sales. 2. Pro automates paid surveys with AI. 3. Bot 365. AI investing
plus micro trades, Robinhood/Fidelity integration. 4. Thumbnail AI auto-designs YouTube thumbnails for Fiverr gigs. 5. Irregularly launches a blog plus auto-publishes affiliate articles. 6. Prompt seller. EO sells your AI prompts marketplace style, think Etsy, but prompt packs. 7. Gig Genie auto-applies to Upwork jobs with AI-tailored pitches, but could any of these actually pay today? Section 2, the 24-hour AI Money Gauntlet tool. 1. Pseudo pitch -8:00 a.m. Ryan spins up pseudo pitch, loads up a list of local small biz emails. The AI craft and blast 50 cold emails for web design gigs. By noon, 2 replies, 1 quote requested. Earnings, technically $0, but a live lead. Tool. 2, Polypro -9:00 a.m. set Polypro to autocomplete paid survey. By lunch, it finishes 62 surveys, some rejected for AI suspicion, but pulls in $7. 80 took PayPal account. Not bad, but hourly rate. Not even minimum wage. Tool. 3, ticker bot 365-10:30 a.m. link up Robinhood. $100 test balance. Ticker bot 365 day trades small cap ETFs using GPT-6 sentiment. By 6 p.m. up $4.21. After fees it's $1.38 net. Tool. 4, thumbnail AI -12:00 p.m. jump on Fiverr. Thumbnail AI whips up 10 YouTube thumbnail samples, uploads his gig portfolio, applies to express orders. First sale hits by early afternoon. $7 job. Delivered in 10 mins. Real time, real cash. Tool. 5, at irregularly -2:00 p.m. fire up at irregularly. Create a blog about 2026 AI job market. By 3:30 p.m. automated posts go live with 4 affiliate links. By 8 p.m. 15 visits, 0 sales. Earnings $0 today, but potential over time. Tool. 6, prompt seller. EO -3:00 p.m. upload 5 original ChatGPT 6 prompt packs, resume writer, relationship coach, email fixer, etc. It's 2 sales by midnight at $2 each. 20% platform cut. Net $3. 20. Tool. 7, Gig Genie -4:00 p.m. run Gig Genie to auto apply to Upwork gigs, voiceover, copywriting, AI data tagging. 17 proposals sent, 3 replies by next day. 1 client offers a $20 test task. Time ran out, so cash wasn't instant, but gig in the back. In a cliffhanger, but here's where the headache started. Section 3, hits, misses, weird surprises. It wasn't all easy money. 3 things nobody on YouTube tells you. 1. Account flags and bans. Polypro got Ryan's email flagged for spam after auto surveying. Lost access to 3 panels in 6 hours. 2. AI detection is real. 2 Fiverr buyers questioned if their YouTube thumbnails were 2 AI generated. Only is a 4-star rating, not 5. 3. Real time, real hustle. Even with automation, managing 7 apps, 4 accounts, and constant logins is stressful. Mistakes happen fast, but the wildest surprise. Tickerbot 365 trade alert started going haywire at 6 p.m. Auto trades got delayed by API limit. Total gain drops from $5.80 to $1.38 in an hour. Section 4, which tool pays best? And which flop? With the dust settled, here's the final ranking for raw dollars earned in 24 hours. 1. Thumbnail AI Fiverr, $7 in 10 minutes. 2. Prompt seller, EO $3.20 after fees. 3. Polypro survey, $7.80 gross, but after limited access, only $3 made it into PayPal. 4. Tickerbot 365, $1.38 net on $105. Pseudo pitch, 1 client quote, potential $50 plus if closed, but $0 actual today. 6. Gig Genie, Upwork bot, 1 gig secured for $20 but not closed in 24 hours. 7. Irregularly, $0 today, possible future affiliate trickle grand total. $14, 58 in 24 hours, but only $7 was instant cash in hand on Fiverr. Here's where it gets interesting, even the best wasn't passive. Tools that pot needed human tweaks, fast replies, and quick delivery. Section 5, what we learned in the real takeaway. So, all the AI tool hype in 2026.
Partly true. Mostly oversold. Highest earning tools don't make you rich overnight, but they multiply your speed, handle boring tasks, and let you earn small wins in record time. Want guaranteed passive big money? Nope. Want a turbocharged side hustle that gives you $5, $20 extra today with skill and hustle? Yes, here's the honest truth. Topping $100/day takes more than a few clicks. But testing 7 AI tools in a single day was the best way to find the no BS winners. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every DIY and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, I test if an AI bot can actually take my job or just make it faster. Which tool would you test first? Drop it in the comments. We'll test your pick next. If you like this, watch our next video. How much can you earn with AI prompt? Side Hustle Breakdown 2026. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI side hustle content every single day. The next story is even crazier.